Uh, Welcome back to data structure using C++ series. Today we will learn a simple concept how to search element in an array. Now students, suppose I have a number 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and I ask you, is 40 present in the array? You will check one by one, correct? So firstly you will check first 10 is not equal to 40, 20 not equal to 40, 30 not equal to 40, 40 yes found. The same idea is called linear search. Let us write program int. How many what how will write the array int a in square bracket 5, and then you will store the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now suppose you want to search 40, you will write int key equal to 40. Now to search from 10 to 50, I will use a for loop int I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Inside the loop I will check if a of I equal to key. What it means? Whether the current value is equal to value we are searching, or so if it is equal, what it will display? It will display element found. For example, element found at third location I equal to 3, then means a of 3 is 40. So the element is found at index 3. Very simple. In linear search, we check the array element one by one until we find the required value. Thank you. Suppose if I give 100 number and ask you to find one number, how will the computer search it? Think about it.